Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here. I'm going to show you how to make this cute autumn pocket box, pillow box, excuse me. And it's super easy and simple, and I think you can put a little nice something in there and give it as a gift to somebody. We're going to start first with a Sizzix die called Pillow Box. And we're going to put a piece of cardstock on top of it that is 6 by 5. And I'm going to put the design image down on top of the box, and I'm going to run it through my Big Shot. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what comes out. And this is super thick cardstock. It's from Tim Holtz. It's got glitter in it, which is really nice. But it did score some lines that you just can't really see very well. And so I'm going to fold the lines, the cardstock over on those lines. So this is your basic pillow box. And then I'm going to use super sticky tape because the pillow box has, it's going to be manipulated quite a bit. So you want to put tape instead of just snail adhesive. And I always put the tape closest to the fold so that when it closes, it is closing all the way to the edge. And then when I fold this over, once you stick it, it's stuck, so you can't reposition it. So I want to make sure that I have it right up against the edge. Like so. And then I'm going to fold in the sides. So there's our pillow box. Now we're going to decorate it. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to cut out this tag, and I'm going to use a tag die. This comes from Stampin' Up's tailor-made dies. Just something I do for my dies. Since I don't want to be looking through everything, I've been putting them in these CD boxes, and so I will put a piece of magnet sheet in here, and then it displays my dies easily. They don't flop all over the place. And then I cut out the actual dies that are in each case, and then I can easily see what's in each case, and I put a title on the edge. I'm going to cut out this die using one of these tags, and then it comes with the die set comes with I guess these are grommets, and I want the grommets to be this shiny color. And then this die cuts out this tag very nicely. You can see this beautiful tag. And then these grommets, I just need 2. So let me pop out 2 of these. So to put the grommets on the tag, I'm just going to use snail adhesive. And it's just the rubber cement eraser. Can you see that? Good. Okay. And I'm just going to run this over, and it will pull all of that excess adhesion off so you don't have sticky tags. Nice and clean. Okay, so the next step is we're going to decorate the front of the tag. So I'm going to use this scrap piece of cream or vanilla cardstock, and this is a stamp set from Spellbinders, and it's called Fall Thoughtfulness. Again, using the CD cases, I put the magnet on one side, and in this case it just didn't stick too well. And so I have the stamps on one side, and then I can just put the dies that are associated with it in the same case, so I'm not searching. But so we're going to actually heat emboss this. So I'm going to use Versamark, and I'm only using the center piece of this stamp. So I'm going to make sure that I don't have any excess oils or fingerprints on here. So I'm just using the anti-static tool, again from scrapbook.com. And now I'm going to stamp this. As with all Versamark, you will not be able to see this image. It's just sticky. And now I am going to sprinkle some, this is Stampin' Up! Classy Copper embossing powder. Now I'll take a heat gun, again Stampin' Up! I test it out on my arm until it gets hot enough. And now I'm going to turn it on the image, and I don't know if you can see this, but we're going to watch it melt. Now this is hotter than a hair dryer, so you don't want to get it close to your fingers. But I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually melting that powder. So when we go to color this in, those lines are not going to run. They are ink resistant, which lends itself to a whole nother technique later on. It's done. I'm going to use some markers, and I'm going to color in this image. This die set that goes with this stamp set includes a die for this image. So I'm going to run this through the machine, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've run this through the machine. Now I'm going to fussy cut or cut off these excess pieces here. And there we have it. It's all fussy cut, ready to be adhered to the box. We'll adhere it with 2 of these dimensionals in a second. First, we're going to put a sentiment on our tag. So I'm going to use this sentiment from the same stamp set that says Happy Fall, and we are going to heat emboss this one as well. I'm going to put some ribbon around my box. I love this ribbon. It's from Stampin' Up! It's very shiny, gorgeous. Take off the tops of these dimensionals. Here it is to the tag. So cute. there's your pillow box, a nice little treat. You can put it on on the table at each place setting, so that you can put someone's name on it, and then you can put a little treat inside for their Thanksgiving meal. Thanks. Before I forget, this stamp is well used, and it would not stick to the clear block. So a trick I learned online is if you lay this in a bowl or a plate and you put Dawn detergent or any kind of liquid detergent and mix it with some water and let it set for 20 minutes, it completely rejuvenates your stamp and it will work. Pretty neat, huh? Now I left it in there for more than 20 minutes because, I mean, it was so non-sticky. I tried using regular snail to hold it onto the block. It was very tricky, but that works just